Don't skip this because what I'm about to share can truly change your life forever. I know this may sound crazy, but this message is for you, directly from heaven. Guys, today I'm not just cooking a potato recipe in nature. I'm sharing the lessons that changed my life. Questions like, how do I become who I really want to be? How do I achieve my dreams? How can I stay healthy, happy, and enjoy every single moment of my life? To be frank, for years I worked so hard, but I wasn't getting results. I felt stuck. I kept asking, why can't I be my true self? How do I flourish? How do I live with joy? How can I be rich? Not just in money, but in love, peace, and energy. And now, I finally have the answer. First, let me transfer my energy to these ingredients. I love you, I love you, I love you. Silly? Not at all. Everything in this world is energy. We're all vibrational beings living in different moods and frequencies. Think of it like this. While cooking, I thank God for every little thing. The soil where the potato grew, the rain that fed it, the farmer who picked it, and the chance to cook it now. With every thought of gratitude, my frequency rises. And when my frequency is high, the food I cook becomes filled with love, health, and healing energy. Yes, it's all about love. It's all about gratitude. I learned this from my spiritual father, Joe Vitale, through his books Zero Limits and At Zero. He taught me that we must live in a world with no limits. A world where I can love everything, including these ingredients, and where I can achieve every dream in my heart. The only limits that exist are the ones I put on myself. So, what's the first step to come out of darkness? The sentence, I am sorry. I'm sorry for every mistake, every negative thought, every time I hurt myself or others. This is a turning point, the moment I take full responsibility for my life. And that's when life becomes magical. Then I whisper, please forgive me. Please forgive me because I didn't know better. Forgive me, forgive my parents, forgive my ancestors. Don't forget, we are all related. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, 3 times. Because I'm alive, I'm learning, I'm growing. Thanks for this healing. And finally, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you. Because love is the most powerful energy in the universe. These four sentences, so simple, can open the doors to a brand new life. And this is how my life truly changed. When I shifted my frequency from jealousy, regret, and comparison to love, gratitude, and trust, I moved from feeling stuck into abundance. This whole world is frequency. Every thought, every word, every emotion, it carries a vibration. And when your vibration rises, your life rises with it.